EPCOS Inrush Current Limiters. NTC thermistors, also called inrush current limiters, are used in equipment such as power supplies that exhibit excessive inrush currents when first turned on. This can cause damage to other components or cause fuses to unnecessarily trip. An inrush current limiter placed in the circuit makes it possible to successfully limit these currents by connecting the ICL in series with the load. Inrush current limiters are also able to effectively handle higher inrush currents than fixed resistors with the same power consumption. The inrush current limiter (ICL) components are specifically developed for the application of limiting excessive inrush currents when a device, such as a power supply, is turned on. The ICL, by design, can accomplish this task due to the specially developed parameters, which allow the limit of current at turn-on by their relatively high cold resistance. As a result of the current load, the ICL heats up and reduces its resistance by a factor of 10 to 50, and the power it draws reduces accordingly. The main applications for an inrush current limiting device are listed here, and in the area of drives, this can further be defined as AC servo drives, DC servo drives, and stepper drives. Other application areas can include servo motors and motion controller drivers. EPCOS ICL product types are detailed in this chart by application and resistance ranges up to 120 ohms. An important parameter in the specification of an inrush current limiting component is the load derating of the device. The power handling capability of an ICL cannot be fully utilized over the entire temperature range. In a case of circuit dimensioning, the derating curve given here provides information on the extent to which the current must be reduced at a certain ambient temperature. The ICL datasheets also specify the Imax values, denoting the maximum permissible continuous current in the temperature range of 0 to 65 degrees Celsius. In choosing an inrush current limiting device, there are some factors to consider. The first being the geometry of the part, which details the physical dimensions, such as disc diameter, lead spacing, etc. The next area, based upon design requirements, are the electrical characteristics of the components, such as the rated resistance, resistance tolerance, maximum continuous current. Beta value defines the curve. Maximum switchable capacity and steady-state current must also be taken into account when selecting an ICL device. EPCOS inrush current limiting devices are designed to meet the customer's objectives by offering a complete product range with maximum continuous current ratings up to 20 amps. The increased product safety by ease of component mounting with double-kinked leads, resulting in a snap-in version, along with the availability of tighter resistance tolerances, are available for all of the ICL types. The quality of the ICLs are ensured by our manufacturing sites, which are in compliance with the requirements of the ISO 9001, QS 9000, and VDA 6.1 industry standards, as well as meeting the requirements and approvals of UL. The proper selection of an inrush current limiting component will result in such benefits as reducing the peaks in a circuit, protection of other critical components, and avoidance of unnecessary tripping of fuses. An additional added benefit is space savings on the printed circuit board due to the smaller footprint of an ICL as compared to a fixed power resistor. Also, the nonlinear resistance behavior of the device allows for decreased power consumption in the working state. EPCOS offers a wide range of products with rated resistance values 25 degrees Celsius from 1 to 120 ohms and permissible current ratings from 1.3 to 20 amps. EPCOS ICLs are also UL approved and are available in various lead forms, including straight, inside, and outside kinked versions. In summary, EPCOS complete part numbers for ordering and bill of material purposes as discussed in this presentation are listed here on this chart, complete with the R25 resistance values, Inrush current maximum allowable values, and the disc diameter sizes defined in millimeters. In addition, EPCOS has a complete Inrush current limiting catalog of components available for applications outside of the scope defined here and also for custom requirements. To learn more about TDK EPCOS solutions, please visit www.em.avnet.com/EPCOS TDK circuit protection.